So yeah, it's been a long time since I've been behind this camera, but I think I've decided I'm going to start doing these videos again, as I haven't done it in quite a long while. So yeah, but this video, not the Mark 6 Fiesta anymore, and the new car is in front of me, so let's get straight into it. So yeah, that's the new car. It's a 2012 Ford Focus. Stock, it's like 113 brake horsepower, I think, like that. But obviously, I have got a few plans I want to do with this in the future. So stage 1 map is definitely on there, but not just for the power or the torque. It's also for like the fuel saving, because obviously diesel, quite good on fuel anyway, but just a little bit more and it would be perfect. But I picked the car up on, I think it was roughly 49,360 something miles. I've had this car almost a year. In I believe it was 1st of July, June, yeah, July. So yeah, it's been a long time since I've had this car, but obviously I haven't filmed anything, so expect to see more of it. And I've got to get another GoPro, because silly me, got rid of mine because I thought I was going to give this up for good. But I'm back, better than ever as well. I feel way better in myself, in a better place. So just get these videos pumping out. I have done a couple of little things on this car. I've done the interior, which has been carbon wrapped round by the clocks, which you've seen in the cinematic. I've also got the overlays which go over like the front grills in the centre, and the overlay carbon that goes over the steering wheel. I think personally it's quite nice, but at the same time I don't know whether to just take it all off and just wrap it black. It just looks quite nice. Then sequential indicators, so looks quite different, nice, stands out. Black as well, looks nice. And I've also just got rain deflectors on at the moment. Got private plate, birthday present off the missus, so very grateful. A couple of little things that I want to do is the chrome window trim. I want to get rid of that, so I think it looks quite tatty. It makes it look like a granddad's car, and obviously I ain't a granddad yet, so you know what I mean. And the front grille, I want to do the 2 little stripes across, which are chrome. I want to do them black as well, and the fog light covers are going to go black. The rear badge has got to come off. I need to get a new overlay badge for the front and the rear, actually, just to make it look a bit smarter instead of the crappy chrome. But other than that, I don't think I actually want to do anything. But if I had my choice and my way, I would like to do the Z-Tech kit, which is like the front lip, rear diffuser, side lips, and the spoiler, I believe. I think it looks quite nice. So you never know what the future holds, as I'm going to have this car for quite a while. As you know, diesel, lasts longer. Perfect, really. Nice little family car as well, because it's another reason why I stopped doing videos. Obviously I have a son, he's 9 months old now, well, just over 9 months. Best thing that happened to me. I am so blessed. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, drop that like, comment and subscribe. Your boy's trying to get to 1,000. I want to get monetized. I want to give back to you guys. So yeah, just make it happen.